Yo, before we get into today's video, I want to give my deepest condolences to one of my day one supporters on the channel, Joshua, aka Mr. Z. Benden. Like, I'm telling you, like a genuine person since the first day he, laid eyes on my channel. He reached out to me on Instagram and has been a supporter ever since. He has passed away, I think it was August the 4th, man. And again, just want to, take the time out to say thank you to him for always supporting the channel and just giving his, energy and passion for sneakers to the entire sneaker community. He has some dope pics on this page. And, it's just sad to see him go. But again, man, shouts out to Joshua for always showing love. Rest in peace, man. And my deepest condolences to your family. Hey, man, say it ain't so. I'm hearing we getting a restock over the next couple of days. I hear some of this happening tomorrow for some heats you guys see in my hand. But it's plenty of more. But the tail of the tape, what everybody talking about, is this brick by bricks? Is it really happening, bro? We gotta talk about in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy The Vintage, man. We back, bro. We back with another one that should help a lot of people out. Man, you guys seen today, we did get that restock, but not on Foot Locker for the Red Air 4s, for the Air Jordan 4 Mama Years. What other? I seen a bunch of sneakers on there. Bread 11 Lows. There was some other sneakers on there that's, of high note on that restock on Nike. I tried to reshare it on YouTube, but it was like middle of the day type vibe. And it just happened. So it was like one of those shocked restocks, you know what I'm saying? It's fair to say that it was a surprise because everybody initially thought this restock was happening on Foot Locker, pushed on into Canada, and then we got something on Nike, and it's not stopping there. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you guys run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage. We need them likes. We need you guys to run them likes up. It definitely helps the channel grow. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. Okay, guys, so I know you've probably seen it all over Instagram, all over Twitter, all on YouTube probably already. We are getting some crazy restocks, and it started off today with, like I said, the Rare 4s, Mama Year 4s, and some other dope sneakers that a lot of people probably did go out and get because it was some shoot the Ferrari 14s. To be specific, I was trying to get another pair. They sold out just like that. So don't be, thinking it's gonna be a crazy restock towards a lot of pairs, and pairs were sitting for a while. It didn't happen. And the first thing that I did see and everybody noticed was the Air Jordan 4 brick by bricks. Now you guys already know I am on the verge of doubling up and resale if need be. If I get on this double up from the Nike restock, that would be crazy. I already been wearing my pair and get some good wears out of it. This is probably going to go down as sneaker of the year. So there's a debate for a lot of people. Me personally, it's not my sneaker of the year, not my personal sneaker of the year. But again, for the general consensus, the general community, this is a sneaker of the year. And to think that we're getting a restock for this shoe is kind of crazy. So hopefully it is some good stock. Hopefully it does kind of drop the resale a little bit. So even if I do take a L, already planned in my mind to pay resale, then I can jump on that fence and go on GOAT and get that pair, man. But again, the first shoe of note is the Air Jordan 4 brick by bricks. I couldn't believe it. This year for Jordan 4s have been crazy. It's been crazy for Jordans in general this year, man. And then next, like I said, the shoe that everybody was talking about for the restock on Foot Locker for Canada that got pushed back is the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. Another shoe that people say, yo, this could be sneaker of the year, bro. This could definitely be sneaker of the year. Definitely one of them ones, bro. Every time I see them, I'm like, yo, I gotta throw them on feet. Gotta throw them on feet, because I did rock them on my own feet video, but not like a fit outside. But the camel with the black metallics just go crazy. I don't know what it was. Every time I go back and look at that video, I'm like, man, I gotta pop out with these joints. Reflective Nike Air, white piping, just a sick pair of Air Jordan 5s. And again, bro, you guys be on the lookout. Could be happening tomorrow, could be happening Thursday, but these restocks are happening consecutively throughout the week, so you just gotta be ready, bro. This one, today came out of nowhere. It was like a 5-minute notice that I seen it. I'm like, yo, what happened? Why nobody hit your boy The Vintage up? But when it did come, pairs are going pretty quickly, so keep your eyes out for the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic, guys. And then the last sneaker that I do have personally in my collection that I feel, people still love them, people still want to add them to the collection, and it is the Air Jordan 4 Navy Blue SBs. Sick pair of Jordan 4s. You guys know I love Jordan 4s. It's up there with me in terms of the best silhouette of all time, in my personal opinion, in terms of the style, the silhouette, and all like good stuff. But again, man, this is crazy, bro. But again, you know how it is. people see the resale value, they try to just destroy a shoe, trash a shoe. Do not let the resale value, make you not want to get the shoe. It's a dope pair of Air Jordan 4s, bro. It's a dope pair of Jordan 4s, and we about to get a restock for these Air Jordan 4 SB. So don't be sleeping on the rock. Don't be sleeping. Like I'm telling you, like, give this about a year or two. I think these will be one of those shoes you're like, man, I should have got them when it was worth $230, $250. And you're gonna be regretting and kicking yourself in the tail because you did not snag that pair. But I already have mine. I already got some good wears out on the fits. Was crazy. I think I wore these in Vegas. I wore them a couple of times, but super comfortable, and the colorway is just really, really nice in my honest opinion, man. So be on the lookout for navy blue SB guys. And then a couple other sneakers that I do see on this anticipated huge restock is the Dodger Kobe 6 Pro Tros and the Air Jordan 3 Soles, the 2.0s. Now, you guys know I've been a huge advocate of that sneaker. And again, let's get one of the shoes that's on the radar. It's one of those grail. I can't really call it a grail. You guys let me know, what's a grail to y'all? Like, is it a certain time period you've been waiting for a shoe, or just a list you got for shoes you need to get? I don't know, I need y'all help. But the Soul 2.0 is this shoe I've been eyeing since they kind of came out. People was trashing them, saying, oh, the midsoles is too yellow. I ain't like them. Man, we all know people. I swear, like, I'm gonna make a video separately. It's gonna be a rant because I am tired of people saying the shoe isn't dope because and I already know people were saying the shoe ain't dope because of resale value. It's really sickening, bro. It's sickening. I've been doing YouTube for so long, bro, and the last year and a half, 2 years, I swear people only care about if a shoe sells out or how much a shoe is worth. I've been seeing the trends, bro, and I cannot wait till we out of this little trend where people just start appreciating the damn sneaker, bro. Like, I cannot wait until the day that comes about again, because all this stuff, man, it's just ridiculous, bro. And I'm sure we might see some other sneakers, kind of getting dropped in there, sprinkled in there throughout the week. So you guys got to keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled, and do not be sleeping under a rock. As soon as y'all see a notification on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or something like that, make sure you just go to Nike app. And it might even be sneakers. I don't know why they're not doing on sneakers. I feel like people like sneakers more. But it does say sneakers app. This definitely says the sneakers app, but the restocks happened today was on the Nike app. So make sure to correct myself throughout the other parts of the video. I was getting stuck on the restock today on Nike. I was like, bro, this came out of nowhere. It's a pretty good one. You know what I'm saying? Especially for people that was free and had time to go in for the Ferrari 14s and some other those crazy. I even was about to snag a pair of White Cement 4s, but by the time I clicked on that shoe, them joints is going too, man. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Run them likes up. Hit the notification bell. And all that's been said, man, keep your eyes peeled. Keep your fingers ready. Get your phone charged up because his resize about to be coming on the Sneakers app sometime this week. So please don't sleep.